Silipin naman natin ang naganap sa kamakailang lamang na The Crown Awards Night kung saan halos 700 salon owners, hairdressers at stylists ang dumalo. Let's all watch this.
Ang pagpunta sa salon ay hindi lang for makeover. It's about boosting self-esteem. Kapag healthy ang hair, mas nagiging confident tayo. And speaking of confidence, ito ang ipinakita ng halos 700 salon owners, hairdressers at stylists na rumampa, flexing their Miss Universe-inspired outfits. Aside from the glamour, muli nilang pinaalala ang kahalagahan ng pag-aalaga sa sarili at sa ating buhok.
Come 2023, we have come up to a partners night wherein The Crown was born sometime 2023 to give thanks to our salon partners, our industry.
Pagdating sa hair, health and beauty, 3 taon ng katuwang ng mga professional hairdresser ang isang pioneer sa professional salon products. Ang kanilang misyon, siguraduhin na ang bawat produkto ay adapted sa unique needs ng Filipina hair na matibay, makapal at madalas exposed sa init ng araw.
Filipino people and Filipino people, they always make it to the point that every single day, their appearance and their crown and glory are nice. So our company is able to adapt to the requirements of our Filipina hairs and as Filipino hair as well.
Kapartner nila ang TESDA o ang Technical Education and Skills Development Authority sa pagbibigay ng trainings at certifications, making sure that they are backed by science and skill.
To multiply the Filipina people for them to develop education. So we are also in tie-ups with TESDA so that we can also provide a good training.
Sa The Crown Awards Night, pinarangalan naman ng mga salon na nagpakita ng malaking pag-usad sa kanilang business. Nariyan ang mga silver awardees at gold awardees.
The product itself gives a good contribution to their business. So yun yung gusto namin, Everyone is really happy, with the outcome. It's just like I always believe in the saying that if we help our salon industry, they will be able to have a very good income.
Ang tunay na crown and glory ng bawat tao ay hindi lang ang kanilang buhok, kundi ang confidence na dala ng healthy self-care habits. At sa tulong ng mga hair professional at ng buong salon industry, mas nagiging posible ang misyon nila for beauty, health, and empowerment.